You are most likely sick of looking at my face by now, so I'm going to pass it over to Ant. He's going to tell you all about it.
Hey guys, Anthony from EEP. So here we have the first Stage 3 G80 HG1000 ball bearing turbos. So looking over at the fueling system, we have port injection as a secondary fuel system running 1050cc injection. So moving on to the intake side, we have DO88 cooling system. We also have the Venturi carbon intakes. To support the amount of power, we need to put a low pressure secondary fuel pump by Precision Raceway.
Fuck a pigeonhole, I'm a night owl, it's a different mode. I'ma have to make a pain of 6 on a pinky toe. Heard you with a shooting guard.
I know you're itching to see what this made. Come check it out. 675 kilowatts of power, 977 Newton meters of torque. This thing is going to rip.